Hello?
Teacher,
Yes, can
can
you
you?
hear? Yes,
Yes.
I can hear you now. How about you? Can you hear me?
Your connection is red,
How about now?
yellow.
It's yellow now.
Yes. Oh, it's white.
Oh, it's normal now?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so now. Okay, so let us start. So let us start with our lesson for today. So today we will have the KET1 test 2 speaking. Can you see my screen?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so let's have the KET speaking. So I already discussed you this one. So now let's have the part one. It is the student examiner interaction. Now the examiner will ask you your name, where you come from, your work, your studies. So provide full sentence answers. Okay, so part one, student examiner interaction, section two. So you will be asked some questions that require longer answers. For example, why you like something, details about a hobby. Okay, so now ask and answer questions based on key cards. So for example, this one. Okay, so this is the key cards. So you're going to answer this one in full sentence. Okay, so don't worry because we will going to study this parts, each parts. Okay, so do not just read from the cards, answer in full questions, pay attention to the grammar. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's have the speaking part one. Okay, part one. Now, part one. So remember to add more details to your answer to make it longer. Okay? Okay, so for example, how will you start your sentence in answering the question, where do you study?
I'm studying. Oh, teacher, can
Yes?
I say my school?
Yes, you can say your school as well.
Rosalind Primary School.
Okay, so again, say it again.
I studied grade 5 in Rosalind Primary School.
Okay, so your answer is short. Now, we can say, okay, so we can also say this one. Oh, okay, so you can say, so to make your answer longer, you can start with I studied at. Okay, so for example, Primary School. Okay, so I studied Tomato Primary School. I am at grade 6 level. Okay, or grade 5 or grade 4. I am at grade 6 level. Okay. I studied at Tomato Primary School and I am a grade 6 student. Okay, you can also say that. Or you can also say I'm a sixth grader student. Okay, I am a sixth grader student at Tomato Primary School located at Tomato City. I usually go to school by bus, motorcycle. Okay, you can also say that motorcycle, or by foot, since or because it is near to my house. Or you can say because it is just a walking distance, because my school because it is just because my or by foot, or by foot because it is just walking distance, oh walking distance from my house. Okay, so this is a suggestion on how you will answer the question, where do you study? Okay, it's either you can answer this one, or to make your sentence longer, so you should say, okay, so it's very simple. The question is very simple. So where do you study? So in this part, you can say your school. Okay, okay, so where do you study? So you can say your school, your grade level, or your grade level. Okay, near, far at your house, far at your house. Okay, how do you get there? Do you how do you get there? Okay, so you should
Okay.
answer the question. You should say, okay, so you should say your school. So in answering the question, where do you study? So you should say your school, your grade level. Is it near, far? Is it near or far at your house? Or how do you get there? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So in order for you to answer in a full sentence, so you can also say this one. Okay. Okay, take note of that.
Okay.
Okay, now again, answer this question. Where do you study?
I studied in Ngô Primary School in Bắc Giang City. I'm in grade 5 level. I'm usually go to school by bike or sometimes go on motorbike.
Okay, very good. So now your sentence is a bit longer and more detailed. Okay, very good. Next, let's answer, what subjects do you study? Okay, so you studied
Maths, arts, English, music, history, science, mm, geography.
Next.
information technology, biology, and drama, swimming, and physical education.
Okay, so it's physical education. Now, how will you start your sentence? So let's practice. So let's say, how will you start your answer on this one? What subjects do you study?
I study math, English, a lot of subjects. I use today is Monday. I have English, math, and science. Arts. I usually have math every school day, and I have science once a week.
Okay, very good. Okay, okay. So, very good. Okay, so you can also add this one. So I learned many subjects at school. Okay, such as. Okay, you can start your sentence on this one. Okay, your sentence is good, it's correct. And I suggest also you say you can start with I learned many subjects at school such as. Okay. And now we can also say I learn a lot of instead of using many, so we can say I learn a lot of or lots of subjects such as. Okay, English, music, history, and etc. Okay, uh, so that you can make your sentences longer. Okay,
Okay,
okay, and also now, which subjects? Okay, so which subjects do you like best? Okay, answer it. Which subjects do you like best?
I like information technology because I can use the computer to play game and to know about all what happened in all the world.
Okay, very good. What happened all over the world? Okay, correct. Now, what do you do at the weekend? So, for example, you read the example. I usually.
Playing sport with my friends to keep fit and healthy.
Okay, so now how about you? How will you answer this one?
Mm, I usually mm, ride my bike. It helps me and my friends have a strong fit.
Have a strong and fit body. Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Who do you like spending time with?
Uh, it's my family.
Okay, so I like spending time with my family because, okay, so you can support your answer because, okay, this one. So, like, for example, you read, I like.
I like spending time with my best friend, Laya. We often chit chat about everything and help each other with our homework.
Okay, very good. So, with help each other with our homework. Okay, very good. Now, best friend. The answers should be at least three sentences. Okay, helpful outline. Okay, so if, for example, if there is a question, okay, for example, if there is a question, describe your best friend. Okay, so you should say the name of your best friend in age, physical appearance, and personality. Okay, so one sentence for his or her name and age, like this one. Another sentence for her physical or his physical appearance, and another sentence for his or her personality. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now write this in your notebook because it will be helpful to you. Okay, write it down.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so are you done, Simon? Are you done, Simon?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now this one. So let's practice some more questions. Okay, so you have to answer it and okay. Do you have to answer it in a full sentences. Okay, so let's start
Okay.
with how do you have much homework at home? Do you have much homework at home?
Um, not a lot be- because um, our teacher usually always teach us um, the example. No, the difficult math. So she gave us not a lot of homework.
Okay, very good. Next is okay. So, oh sorry. So, how much oh do your teachers okay, so how much time do you spend doing your homework every day?
I spent um 30 minutes to do homework at my friend's house because we always come to each house to to do homework
Because we always
because we always come to uh, our house to do homework.
Okay, next. Do you have to take extra classes?
Mm, yes, I sometimes have extra classes because in the future I want to be I want to have a lot of money.
Okay, how long is your summer vacation?
It's about mm, 3 months, so we can have a long summer holiday.
Do you like going to school?
Mm, yes, because I can study a lot and I can play with my friends and do a lot of sport in at my school.
Okay. Okay, is that all?
Yes,
Okay, so now let's answer it. Okay, so do you have much homework at home? Okay, so your answer is I have a lot because. Okay, so you already answered the two questions. The two questions, which is, do you have much homework at home? And do your teacher often give you much homework? Well, I have a lot because our teacher always teach us the difficult math, so she gave us a lot of homework. Okay, so now here's my tip for you. So do you have much homework at home? Okay, so let's answer first the first one. Okay, so here's your answer in the first question. Okay, now a lot of homework. Okay, or you can also say, let's answer first the first question. So yes, I have a lot of homeworks. Okay. You can mention the yes, a lot I have a lot of homework, most especially in math subject or whichever subject it is, because this subject is very difficult and our teacher subject is very difficult and our teacher wants us to practice math even at home. Okay, so that is my suggestion on how you will answer the first question, which the first question is, okay, number one. Okay, next to it is, do your teacher often give you much homework? Okay, now your question, oh yes, so you already answered it. So to make your sentence more longer, okay, so to make your sentence more longer, okay, yes, he or she always does because, okay, because she or he believe or because our teacher believes that homework can help us grow And it is also another way to measure how much we learned about the topic. Okay, so you can say that. So no need to. Okay, so you answered it in a long. Okay, so look at your first answer. So you answered it in a one long sentence. Now you can answer it the two question. So you can answer it in two sentences as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next to it is okay. So how much time do you spend your doing your homework every day? Now your answer is okay. So I spend 30 minutes to do homework at my friend's house because we always come to our house to do homework. Okay, come to our house to do homework. Or I spend 30 minutes to do homework. Okay, because, okay, so we can also say, why friends? Why do we use friends? So I spend 30 minutes to do homework at my friend's house because we always do our homework together
Ba đừng đóng ba ơi.
and we go to we go to each other's house. Okay, so you can add each other's house.
Ờ.
Okay. So, okay, so your answers are good enough, but we can also practice using vocabulary words, okay? Vocabulary words to make your sentence extraordinary and your grammar as well. So we can work on that, okay? Okay,
Okay.
next, let's have the prompt card. So answer and asking and answering using these prompt cards. Okay, so now, how will you answer this one? Answer this in a complete sentence. So the party where, whose party, why, finish and then. So do not just read the prompt card, okay? So you have to answer it in a complete sentence. So it's no need for me to ask you the question one by one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be giving you 2 minutes to or 1 minute to prepare. Think about what should you say. Okay, so are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's start.
Mm, Come to Peter's party. It's at the garden room of Grand Hotel, and it's Peter's party because he's passed his school exam and he finished. It will finish from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and we can dance the disco and live music.
Okay, is that all?
Yes.
Okay, so now your answer is very short. Okay, so now, okay, so let's start with where. Okay, whose party, why? Okay, so we can say where. The party will be held, okay, will be held at Garden Room Grand Hotel. Okay, which which host by, okay, Peter. Okay, because he was able to pass, okay, because, okay, so it is a celebration. It is a celebration for he was able to pass his school exams. Okay, so okay, so you also said that it will be finished from 8 to half past 11. Now, so you can say the party will start at 8 p.m. and it will be finished it will be finished at half past 11 p.m. Okay, we can okay, we can have a big disco with live music in it. Okay, so that how many sentences do I got? Okay, so we can enjoy the big, okay, so we can enjoy the big disco that is sounded by a live music. Okay, that is sounded by a live music. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, in this part, we were able to use vocabulary words. The host. Okay, that means Peter, it is Peter's party. Okay, so the party will start at, okay, so because you said the party will finish at 11, half past 11. Okay, so you should include, okay, you should also mention what time will it start and what time will it ends.
Okay.
Okay, so we can also enjoy. We can also enjoy. We can also we can say enjoy. We can have some fun because there is a big disco that is sounded by a live music. Okay, so or we can say it will be it is sure that it will have a great fun because there is a big disco and it's sounded by a live music. Okay, like that. Okay, so now, okay, this one. So this is a suggested answer. Now, can you think of other questions or other ways to ask and answer? So like for example,
Mm,
where is the party held? Okay. So the same answer, it is held in Garden Room Hotel. What other way could you ask a question on this? On what other way could you ask a question? Which
oh,
answers it is held on Garden Room at Grand Hotel.
oh,
Can you think of other questions and other ways or other ways to ask and answer?
mm, hmm. No, I can't.
Okay, so we can say in what hotel does the party held? In what hotel? So it is held in Garden Room at Grand Hotel.
No.
Okay, in what hotel? So whose party is it? Or who holds the party? So it is Peter's party. Okay. There's a lot of way of asking a question. Okay, so now how about this one? So okay, so this will be your assignment. Okay, so you have to okay. I'm going to send it in the group at Zalo. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to and you have to answer this in a complete sentence. Okay?
Mm, okay.
Now, you're going to okay, now on this part you're going to write it in the Microsoft Word. Do you know what is a Microsoft Word? So that I
Yes.
can correct you with your I can correct you with I can correct you. So for like for example, this one. One of my student answered this one. Okay. So this is what her assignment looks like. Okay. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay, she writes it in a Microsoft Word so that I can easily correct her. And she sent it to me at Zalo. Okay, you can send your soft copy in Zalo.
Okay.
Okay, so that you can easily review or you can easily review my corrections, my suggestions to you. Because I'm going to send it back to you after our lesson or right
Okay.
after our lesson so that I can um
Oh,
wait uh, test two test two. Okay, Simon.
yes.
Okay, I sent it already in our group chat at Zalo. Okay, so we will gonna continue our oh let's have the KET 1 test 2 oh KET test 1 KET 2 test 1 listening.
Okay. Okay. My mother has to call me.
Hmm?
My mother has to call me.
Okay. Your
Yes,
mother
yes.
called you?
Call me.
Okay, answer your mother first. It might be important.
Okay. She said, mm, I can study you. When I finish,
You can?
I can do it.
Okay. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, so let's have the KET listening. Okay,
Okay.
so let's have the places vocabulary. Okay, so this have, okay, let's read it one by one. So we have
School, library, bookstore, post office, market, supermarket, bakery,
bakery,
bakery, pharmacy, hospital, police station, bank, cafe, restaurant, clothing store, bus stop, airport, train station, petrol station, um, hotel, um, church, factory, garage,
garage,
garage, shoe shop, theater, cinema,
Okay, very good. Now, why do we need to go to a market or a supermarket? Why do we need to go to a supermarket or a market?
because because if uh, we can buy the food when we need it, and we can also buy the toy in the supermarket.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now, what will you do at the airport? What will you do at the airport?
We buy ticket and get on a plane and go to another place like city.
Okay, very good. So like a city. So you can go, you can travel. Okay, so you can travel by, okay, so you can travel by an airplane. Okay, very good. Next. Okay. How about at the hotel? What will you do at the hotel?
We can, if we tired,
If we
we
are
can
tired, we can
and buy ticket and sleep in the
we can
hotel's bed.
we do we need to buy a ticket before we can stay in a hotel?
Oh, no,
Okay, so we can stay in a hotel. Okay, now how about in the factory? What does the people do in the factory?
Mm, they they build the toy or make cake uh, or and and make uh, everything. We can make everything.
Okay, make everything we can use to. Okay, now next. Okay, more places. So we have
Driving school, hairdressers, dentist, chemist.
okay, very good. So now let's have the part one. So for questions 1 to 5, so you will hear 5 short conversations. So you will hear each conversation twice. So there is one question for each conversation. For questions 1 to 5, put a tick under under the right answer. So for example, let's listen to it first.
How many people were at the meeting?
Were there many people at the meeting?
About 30.
That's not many.
No, but more than last time.
Okay, so now
How many people?
that's it. Okay, so
Are we
now
ready to start?
let's start.
Look at question 1. One. What will they eat for dinner this evening? What do you want for dinner this evening, Maria? We could have pizza or chicken.
What about fish? I had a pizza last night.
Okay, that's easy to cook.
Good.
Now listen again. What do you want for dinner this evening, Maria? We could have pizza or chicken.
What about fish? I had a pizza last night.
Okay, that's easy to cook.
Good.
Two. What time is it?
Have you got the right time? I think my watch is wrong.
It's 2:30.
Ah, my watch says 20 past.
Well, it's 10 minutes slow then. Now listen again.
Have you got the right time? I think my watch is wrong.
It's 2:30.
Ah, my watch says 20 past.
Well, it's 10 minutes slow then. Three. What's Michelle going to read?
Can I read your newspaper, Michelle?
Didn't you bring a book with you?
Yes, but it's not very interesting.
Oh, here you are. I'll read this letter from John.
Now listen again.
Can I read your newspaper, Michelle?
Didn't you bring a book with you?
Yes, but it's not very interesting.
Oh, here you are. I'll read this letter from John.
more. How much did the tickets cost?
Oh, hi. Did you have a good time at the theatre last night?
Well, the play was excellent, but the tickets cost $90 each.
That's not too bad if the play was good.
No, perhaps you're right.
Now listen again.
Oh, hi. Did you have a good time at the theatre last night?
Well, the play was excellent, but the tickets cost $90 each.
That's not too bad if the play was good.
No, perhaps you're right.
Five. Where is the chemist's?
Excuse me, can you tell me where the chemist's is, please?
Just a moment. Oh, yes. It's past the post office, next to a big supermarket.
Is it far from here?
No, just 2 minutes walk. Now listen again.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the chemist's is, please?
Just a moment. Oh, yes. It's past the post office, next to a big supermarket.
Is it far from here?
No, just 2 minutes walk. This is the end of part 1.
Okay, so now let's do this one. Okay, so let's check your answer. Okay, correct. Very good. Correct. Correct. Oh, it's $90, not $19. Okay, correct. Okay, so let's have the part 2. Questions 6 to 10. Listen to Kate telling Emma about her family. Where is each person going today? For questions 6 to 10, write a letter A to H next to each person. So you will hear the conversation twice.
Okay.
Hi, Kate. What about a game of tennis sometime?
I'd like to, Emma, but not today. I'm really busy.
What are you doing?
Sam's got toothache, so I'm going to take him to the dentist this morning.
Oh, dear.
And then Mother's going to the hairdresser this afternoon, and I said I would drive her home afterwards. Then, after school, Tanya wants me to help her buy some new shoes. She doesn't like shopping alone.
My daughter doesn't either. You're going to the concert this evening, aren't you?
I'm afraid not. But Len loves classical music, so he'll go.
Oh, good. By the way, has Tom started driving yet?
He's having his first lesson today.
Teacher.
He's going to the driving school at
Yes.
I can't hear
Okay, one more time. Okay, let's start.
Hi, Kate.
How about now?
What about a game of
Can you hear it? Okay.
tennis sometime?
I'd like to, Emma, but not today. I'm really busy.
What are you doing?
Sam's got toothache, so I'm going to take him to the dentist this morning.
Oh, dear.
And then Mother's going to the hairdresser this afternoon, and I said I would drive her home afterwards. Then, after school, Tanya wants me to help her buy some new shoes. She doesn't like shopping alone.
My daughter doesn't either. You're going to the concert this evening, aren't you?
I'm afraid not. But Len loves classical music, so he'll go.
Oh, good. By By the way, has Tom started driving yet?
He's having his first lesson today. He's going to the driving school at lunchtime. He's really excited about it.
I'm sure he is. How's your father? Does he still play golf?
No, not anymore. But he's started learning Spanish. Actually, he's got a class this evening.
Good for him. Well, perhaps we can go to the tennis club tomorrow.
Yes, okay. Now listen again.
Hi, Kate. What about a game of tennis sometime?
I'd like to, Emma, but not today. I'm really busy.
What are you doing?
Sam's got toothache, so I'm going to take him to the dentist this morning.
Oh, dear.
And then Mother's going to the hairdresser this afternoon, and I said I would drive her home afterwards. Then after school, Tanya wants me to help her buy some new shoes. She doesn't like shopping alone.
My daughter doesn't either. You're going to the concert this evening, aren't you?
I'm afraid not. But Len loves classical music, so he'll go.
Oh, good. By the way, has Tom started driving yet?
He's having his first lesson today. He's going to the driving school at lunchtime. He's really excited about it.
I'm sure he is. How's your father? Does he still play golf?
No, not anymore. But he's started learning Spanish. Actually, he's got a class this evening.
Good for him. Well, perhaps we can go to the tennis club tomorrow.
Yes, okay. This is the end of part 2.
Okay, so that is the end of part 2. So let's check your answer. So we have, okay, E correct, F correct. Oh, it should be E, A. You changed your answer. Your first answer is A, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. That's C and G. So you got
Oh.
2. But it's fine. Okay. Okay, so we will gonna stop on this part, Simon, because we are running out of time. Okay, so don't forget don't forget your assignment, okay? Don't forget your assignment, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Simon. See you next. See you on Saturday. Bye bye and good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.